Check out this 67 Chevelle. SS stands for super sexy in this case. Hi, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. Visit volocars.com anytime. We've always got a few hundred collector cars in stock. On our website, you'll find the pricing, 100 pictures of each car, all the specs, financing, shipping. Whatever you need to help purchase a collector car from us is on our site, including all the different ways to contact us. Don't be shy. Feel free to reach out even if you just have a question. We'd love to help you. So let's take this one for a spin. It's a body off the frame restored 67 Chevelle with a 468 big block motor, turbo 400 trans, 373 posi. It's got a lot of upgraded Ride Tech suspension components. It's got a nice stance, no vinyl top. It's just slick red, clean, straight. I mean really straight. The chrome sparkles. Beautiful polished torque thrust wheels with some nice performance Nitto tires on there. Got a metal cowl induction hood in front. All this stuff here is new. The trim, tail lights, bumper. Look down the side. Look at the reflection of the floor. It's like a mirror. Inside the car, it's got bucket seats, a tilt column with a nice polished Grant GT wheel. It's got a retro stereo. A lot of the trim on the dash has been replaced. And the upholstery, carpet, headliners, door panels, that's all been redone. The metal trim has been repainted. So inside the car is real nice. I'm going to start it in a minute too. Sounds really good. So the underneath of the car is all painted just like the motor compartment is. This has a flat firewall. MSD ignition. It's got Edelbrock carburetor. It's got some nice coated headers. Aluminum water pump. Big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Some extra chrome. It's got disc brakes in front. So it's a pretty cool hot rod. The dash pad does have one crack in the dash pad. I don't know why they replaced everything except that, so it's the only thing that I noticed not done inside the car is the dash pad. Look how nice the door jambs are. It's got a power antenna. It's got some new 6x9 speakers in the back. But all we want to hear right now is the motor. That thing sounds pretty wicked. I can hear it's got a gear drive instead of a timing chain. The oil pressure is over 60 pounds right now. That's a healthy motor. Like I said in the beginning, super sexy. It's lipstick red. It's just shiny everywhere. Got a motor like that in there. This car's going to be lots of fun. There you have it. These Chevelles, Camaros, they don't last long, so make sure you call right away if you're even thinking about it, if you have any questions. If not, visit our website 24 hours a day. We've always got an excellent selection of quality muscle cars like this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what we're going to post on there. We are posting a few cars a day. Thanks for watching.